Ethiopia's street food scene is a vibrant tapestry of flavors and traditions that capture the heart of its culture. One must-try dish is doro wat, a spicy chicken stew layered with rich spices, often served with injera, a tangy flatbread. Meanwhile, shiro, a chickpea-based stew, offers a vegetarian delight infused with flavors that dance on the tongue. Street vendors often serve these alongside refreshing drinks like tella, a traditional Ethiopian beer. As you wander through city streets, the aroma of roasted coffee beans lures you in, leading to a soothing coffee ceremony that symbolizes hospitality and community. Ethiopian street food is not just a meal, it's a culinary journey rooted in history and flavor.